Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode with Dr. Lubena. We are truly honored to have Dr. Lubena with us today. She's a consultant intensivist with the NHS UK, originally trained in India, where she completed her master's in anesthesia and has since gone on to pursue several prestigious fellowships in the UK. Dr. Lubena is also the author of The Good Death Project, and she's a passionate coach helping many young professionals find clarity and direction in their careers. Dr. Lubena, thank you so much for being here and a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you, Ashwini. Thanks for that wonderful introduction.
Thank you, Doctor. Doctor, before we start this session, I really loved a line you wrote in one of your LinkedIn articles, which said something like share, support. I think this line really stayed with me. At Go Campus, our career development platform is built on the same core values. Choosing a career path, especially in medicine, is one of the most important decisions I guess anyone can make. Now, we believe in creating the space where doctors can speak their truth, share their journey, support each other, and of course, ultimately succeed. Our vision is to build a strong community where experienced professionals mentor and uplift the aspiring doctors. So, after this episode, if you would like to connect with Dr. Lubena for a one-on-one consultation, you can book directly at www.gocampusworld.com. So over the past few days, we've gathered the most frequently asked questions and we will do our best to address as many of them as possible with Dr. Lubena's insights today. So in this episode, we will be covering anesthesiology as a career choice, that is the challenges in it, maybe an overview of it. We're also going to talk about how to build a standout CV for the UK fellowships and the training positions. We are also going to talk about common mistakes IMGs, that is international medical graduates, make during interviews. And let's see if the time, if we have time, I'm sure we can also request doctors to talk about how to avoid those mistakes. We're also going to talk about recognizing and preventing burnout in medicine. So we're also going to talk about taking your first steps into leadership early in your career. So we're also going to talk about understanding the CSER pathway for becoming a specialist in the UK. That's because we've been getting many requests from doctors, especially specialists who've done MD in India or even some doctors who've done DM who are asking us how to explore what are my chances in the UK in terms of critical care or anesthesia. So we will talk a bit about it. And also we're going to talk I think this is one of the burning question at this point of time, is now a good time to consider the UK for training or for the short stint of experience or for migration? So these are the questions that we're going to cover in this episode. So thank you so much, Doctor, for being here with us today. Over to you.
Thank you. Thanks, Ashwini. Yeah, I think there are a lot of things that people are considering these days. I will start with a little bit of an intro about me. So you rightly said I've done my MD in anesthesia in India. I've done most of it from Gujarat. And then I went on to do my intensive care fellowship in India as well. And after coming to the UK, I took the PLAB pathway, which is usually the most common pathway that most the junior doctors take. But when I was planning to come here, I didn't know that I could be exempted if I had a European qualification. So I took all the things that I was not supposed to do, and then I finally ended up here.